I'm David Monk, After School STEAM Educator with Children's Museum Houston. This Educator Moment is brought to you by MD Anderson. Check it out. Today we're going to make DIY aloe vera gel. You'll need some aloe vera plants, a pair of scissors, a plastic knife, some napkins, some powdered vitamin C, a couple of cups or bowls, and a blender. The first step in making your aloe vera gel is to take the scissors and remove some of the leaves from your aloe vera plants. Once you've cut them, place them open side down in a cup for at least 10 minutes. This will allow the rosin to drain out of the plant. There's latex in the rosin which can actually be a skin irritant, so you want to make sure that you get as much of that out as possible. After that, use your paper towels to remove any of the remaining rosin. Now you'll need your plastic knife, and you'll cut one end off and start cutting down the side of the aloe vera. Remember to use clean scissors and also wash your hands before doing this activity, because you're going to be using this on your body and you don't want any contaminations in it. So once you've cut it down the side, you can just spread it open. Then use your knife to scoop the aloe into your cup. Once you've finished scooping all of the aloe out of your leaves, remove any plant material that may have ended up in your Vera gel. You'll need anywhere from 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, depending on how much aloe vera gel you use. Next step, take 500 milligrams of powdered vitamin C. Aloe is very good for bug bites, sunburns, and other types of burns. And vitamin C is great anti-inflammatory and also great for moisturizing your skin. So those two things work together very well. But another thing that the vitamin C does is it actually preserves your gel. So instead of lasting a week or so, it'll last upwards to 2 months if you keep it in the refrigerator. Also, remember, if you've never used aloe vera gel before, use a small test area on your arm to make sure that you do not have an allergy to it. Once you've mixed together your vitamin C and your aloe vera, you'll take it and place it in the blender and blend for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Your aloe vera gel should have a nice bubbly consistency when you're done with the blender. Remember to put it in an airtight container and it'll last up to 2 months. And that is how you make DIY aloe vera gel. Thank you so much for joining me for this Educator Moment. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.